Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and we will learn phonics. In this video, we will learn the sound of the letter G. Sound of the letter G is G. G. Goat. G. Gorilla. Goat, gorilla. Sound of the letter G is G. Gun. G. Gum. Gun, gum. Glue. Gate. Girl. Glue, gate, girl. Sound of the letter G, G. Garden. And what do we see in garden? We see grass. G. Grass. Garden, grass. Golf. Grid. Gold. Golf, grid, gold. And what's this? This is gift. We all love to receive gifts. And we receive lots of gifts on our birthday. G. G. Gift. Let's learn few more words starting with letter G. G-O. Go. G-O-T. Got. G-A-P. Gap. G-R-A-B. Grab. G-A-S. Gas. G-E-T. Get. G-A-M-E. Game. Go. Got. Gap. Grab. Gas. Get. Game. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.